Keeping the apps updated on your Android tablet is a good way to make sure you get all the latest features, and also make sure you get all the latest bug fixes and improvements to your apps. Some of your apps might update automatically, but sometimes you'll need to manually update them. To update your apps, find and open the Play Store on your tablet. Then tap your profile in the top right corner and choose Manage Apps and Device. You'll either see updates available or a message that says all apps are up to date. Tap that and you'll see more details. On this page, you can update apps one by one, or if you want to update everything with one tap, just use the Update All button on the very top. Like I said in the beginning, sometimes your apps update automatically. If you want to check the auto update settings, go back to the front page of the Play Store. Then tap your profile again and scroll all the way down to Settings. Then tap Network Preferences, and from there go to Auto Update Apps. Here you can control the auto update settings, or you can set your tablet to never run auto updates in case you prefer to control everything manually. And that's how you update your apps. Click the like button if this helped you and subscribe for more easy guides like this.